Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. This is Sandy for Spellbinders, and today I have a card making kit unboxing for the month of October 2019. This month's card making kit is called Sparkling Holidays, and it contains everything that you need to make absolutely stunning holiday cards. And this month's Spellbinders card making kit contains the following: 10 cards and 10 envelopes, 9 pieces of cardstock, a set of 6 dies, a paper pad, a stamp set, a sticker pad, a gazillion die cut shapes, adhesive gemstones, foam squares, and adhesive tape. Enjoy the unboxing.